it's Be Amazing Sylvia. I'm trying something new this time. So it won't be no dancing because I don't know how it's gonna turn out. I'm making barbecue pork. Like barbecue pork sandwiches. This is pork tenderloin. It's 2.3 ounces. And these are my seasonings that I gotta put in. I'm gonna use the barbecue, but I'm adding all of this stuff to it with some brown sugar. So let's see how it goes. And I'm just freestyling, going by hand. Don't know how it's gonna turn out. Oh, and you do need a cup of water. So this is what you need. Let's hope it turns out good. It's going in a crock pot for like 4 hours. So be right back. All right, all the seasonings, the barbecue sauce is in, and all of the seasonings with the brown sugar and the mustard. So like I said, it's gonna go in a crock pot on high for like 3 or 4 more hours, and then we'll be back. All right, we have been slow cooking forever. Now I'm about to mince up the pork tenderloin. It is smelling so good, y'all. Look at it. It's been in a crock pot for 6 hours now. So I'm about to mince it up. Add a little bit more barbecue sauce and we should be good to go. Alrighty. Y'all see the steam coming off my pork tenderloin? It's so soft, y'all. I'm about to mince it up now. Should be good to go. And put some coleslaw on it. Put it on a bun. Give me some fries, y'all. It's gonna be Yeah, it's nice and soft. So it's gonna take me a minute to get it all broken down. And I like mine really minced. So I'm gonna be cutting. It smells so good, y'all. Pulled pork barbecue. That's what we got going on here. Like I said, I like mine fine. It's nice and soft. But I like mine really minced. So I'm gonna keep on cutting. We'll be back. Alrighty, y'all. Here we go. Look at that. That's my barbecue, y'all. That's my barbecue. My God. Yes, I love barbecue. We about to grub, chub. Let's get it. Let's go. Woo, hoo, hoo. Looking some kind of good.